guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rokeya Khalif. For today's video I'm going to show you how to do this makeup so you can not to get your flash back whatever you're taking pictures in the club, in the day out, whatever you're gonna be doing, and you won't get a flashback. So stay here and watch how I did this look, and it's gonna be step by step, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. You can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. So guys, all the products I'm gonna be using, all the makeup I'm gonna be using today is gonna be in the below, and I'm gonna try my best to details all the stuff that I'm gonna be using today in this video. So the first thing I'm gonna be using, I'm gonna use my primer. I don't use primer that much, but this MAC primer, MAC Studio primer, I think this is quite good primer. So I'm gonna just get my brush, my Technic brush. I don't know the number. This brush is literally so old. When I say old, it's so old. So I'm just gonna apply like so my brush. I'm gonna put that quite much primer. I'm just gonna put a little bit. And I find when you use your primer with your brush, it gets like, I think I don't know, it makes the primer set more than using your fingers. That's my point of view, but it depends what kind of, everyone have their own way to put the makeup, so it depends how you want to put your makeup and stuff. But for me, to use a primer, I always put in the brush. I think the primer is set really good with a brush, not by the hand. That's just my point of view, but you can do it how you want to. The second thing I'm going to be using, the color collector LA Girl, on the color is orange. So I'm just gonna pull the dark area, the place that I think I'm a little bit darker. I'm gonna pull that quite a lot, only because I don't wanna the flashback. When you take pictures and whatnot, sometimes the flashback, it comes, the more product you use it, the more probably when you take pictures of your friend, they can tell the flashback, or you can see it really bad. So I'm just gonna put the area that I'm a little bit darker in that area. My Technic brush, I don't know the number of this brush, but when I find it for you guys, I'm gonna put in the below if you're interested to get this brush. This brush is amazing, guys. I use this brush for everything. Like when I say everything, I'm just gonna blend everything so it can be equal and stuff under my eye. Yeah, my lips, they're quite a little bit dry, so I'm gonna use like a little Vaseline. It depends what you use, but this I bought like £1. £1. So I'm just gonna put in my mouth like so, little Vaseline. You can use any Vaseline that you please to, so I'm just gonna use this one. But if you wanna get the same one that I'm using, I'm gonna put it below for you guys, and you can get it. It's on £1.50, I think. The next thing is I'm gonna spray my face. I don't know why I always do this. This is how I do my makeup every time. So after to put my primer and the color collector, I always use my setting spray from MAC. I think it works for my skin, but for you it might not be working, but for me it does work. So I'm just gonna spray it like so. Next I'm gonna go in my foundation, guys, and I'm just gonna do it like this. I like to do it like this. Yeah, it works for me, but if you wanna be the thing is, you gotta go in with your beauty blender. You know what, guys, I got like 10 beauty blender right here, but this is my favorite, and I don't know where I got them. You know when you just buy a beauty blender, you buy them, and then when you use them, just think it is the same thing. But I literally got like 10 of them right here with me, but this is my favorite. And just make sure that it's clean and it's a little bit dumped, like not wet, but a little bit dumped with water, so you can use it. So I'm just gonna be applying my foundation, but this is my favorite, and make sure that it's clean. I don't know where I got that, like I don't know where I got this beauty blender. I'm trying to find the same one, but I cannot find it. Hopefully I'm gonna find it somehow, but because this is literally my favorite one. I'm just gonna blend my foundation. I'm gonna just use that pointy bit, and I'm gonna just blend everything out. So the next thing is I'm gonna go in again with my Technic brush, and I'm just gonna brush everything off to make sure everything is blended like I wanted. Just take your time, guys, take your time. Just think about the time they're gonna take pictures in your phone. You can get a flashback. You don't want that. You want your skin to look flawless. I can't even say the word. But anyways, yeah. Next step, guys, I'm gonna highlight my face with Makeup Evolution. The number is C14. That's the lightest, I think, in my skin. It does go well with it. I need to buy another one because this is about to finish, and I love this. It's literally affordable Evolution product, so I have to buy another one. Just make sure everything is the same. And I'm gonna go in my NARS. So I'm gonna use the NARS one is more light. Like when I put it, you can literally tell. This is so light. Can you tell the difference? The Makeup Evolution is a little bit darker, it's like a little bit lighter than my skin. But this NARS, I don't know what number is this. I brought it like literally ages ago. Even the stick came out, so I cannot see. But I think it's I cannot see literally. I don't want to lie. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna try to look for it online, guys. Everything I'm gonna put it in the below, like I said. But this is literally so light, so you have to be extra careful what product you're gonna use for your skin, because this is literally, I don't use that quite much, this, because I know if I use it out quite much, if it's light than my skin, I'm gonna get flashback and stuff. So I don't want that when I take my pictures. I want my thing to be amazing. So I'm gonna go back with my same beauty blender. Like I said, I love this beauty blender. Just make sure that it's clean. I'm gonna go back with this, and I'm just gonna blend everything. And this time around, I'm just gonna blend, and I'm gonna put it all over in my eyeshadow as well. So I'm just gonna go back with my brush again, and I'm just gonna blend everything. Like everything. Go in with my Makeup Evolution, the same brand, the Makeup Evolution C18. This is the darkest one. I got C18, I got C15, but C15 is like my skin tone. I'm gonna go with C18. Just gonna put it right here. Go back again with my beauty blender, and I'm just gonna blend everything. Again on my Technic brush. I'm telling you, this brush you'll be seeing it quite a lot in my videos, because I just love this brush. It's just amazing. It makes everything come together. You need this brush. They're quite expensive, but yeah, every girl needs this brush. I'm just gonna make sure everything is blended like I wanted. I'm gonna use my banana baking powder, only because like I'm not that big I won't say like I'm not a big fan of baking, but I don't mind baking, but you just have to be careful with baking, because the more long you put it, the more it's gonna cause you problems. So you just have to be careful, like how you're using it basically. But yeah, I'm gonna be using that bit right here. I think that bit is really cool for using your thing. I'm just gonna tap it. I'm just gonna put it right here. I'm gonna brush everything off. To the black girls, the more you bake, the more it's gonna cause you a problem. So you just have to be really sharp and how long you have to know how long you have to bake. The baking is a problem for dark skin girls. You just have to be really careful with the baking basically. It depends how long you leave it as well. The more you leave it, the more problems you get. Next thing is I'm gonna get my Ray Ray. This is my Ray Ray palette. I'm gonna use the bronzer. So this is the bronzer I'm gonna be using, the dark ones right here. And I'm gonna put it the place that right here, and I'm just gonna blend it. Not that too much. I don't wanna use it a lot, so I'm just gonna use it a bit. I'm gonna put my nose as well, just to give me a little bit definition. And then I'm just gonna put it in my forehead as well, just a little bit. I don't want to put a lot, just a bit, so that my forehead can be a little bit smaller. It's not a crime now. I'm gonna go back again with my Technique brush. I'm just gonna blend everything, like every single thing that I don't want in my face to get out. And I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna spray it again, a Studio Plus Max spray. So I'm gonna use my Ray Ray. This is my Ray Ray palette. This highlighter right here. This highlighter is amazing, guys. Amazing highlighter ever. I'm just gonna put it right here on my nose, right there as well, just a little bit. I'm gonna put it right here as well. Can you see that? That's the glow. It's amazing. I'm not even putting that much, guys. But yeah, the highlighter is really good. So if you're looking for the highlighter, this palette is amazing. So guys, I'm gonna go to do my eyeshadow and I'm gonna to pull my fake eyelashes, and I'll be back here and then we can chat more. So guys, I am back. This is the final look right here, guys. So when you take pictures, you won't get a flashback. This is how I do it, but everyone, they have their own way how to do it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.